Welcome to our tutorial on how to receive push notifications for tags on Facebook using your PC. With the recent update, staying connected and informed about your Facebook tags has become easier than ever. Let's dive into the simple steps to set this up. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Facebook interface. Now, let's focus on the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a bell icon. This is your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the notifications icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Look closely, and you'll spot 3 dots in the upper right corner of this menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal more options. From the new menu that appears, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize various notification preferences for your Facebook account. On the Notifications Settings page, you'll see a list of different notification types. Scroll down until you find the Tags option. Click on it to expand the tag notification settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch next to Push. Simply click this switch to enable push notifications for tags. When it turns blue, you'll know it's activated. And there you have it. You've successfully set up push notifications for tags on Facebook using your PC. Now, whenever someone tags you in a post, photo, or comment, you'll receive a handy push notification, ensuring you never miss an important mention. Remember, staying connected is great, but it's also important to manage your notifications to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime to adjust them according to your preferences. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Facebooking.